What if I told you that this was shot on a mini drone? And I don't mean the Mini 4, nor even the Mini 3, but the DJI Mini 2. See, it's not just about the drone, it's about the pilot and his skills. You can have the latest and greatest drone, but if you don't have the skills, the vision and the creativity to put it to good use, you will never truly make it soar. This footage right here is a testament to what's possible when you focus on refining your craft. Mastering the fundamentals of composition, lighting and movement will always take your work further than the best drone out there. And the best part? You can learn all of the skills you need right here on this channel. Whether you're just getting started or looking to elevate your drone game, I will show you everything you need to capture that perfect shot. So stick around, because it's time to take your skills to the next level.